Here we go. The first one is your
Okay,
one.
sir.
You did not write 1A. You did not do 1A. Why? Mahi, you forgot it. Like Monica did it. Monica drew the diagram this way and she showed her answer C. But you did not write anything about it. You did not draw anything. So you forgot it. Mahi, hello? Mahi, you forgot it or you intentionally skipped it? Tell me. Hello, Mahi. Mahi is not here. Anyway, Monica's on, huh? Monica, you see, critical angle. Critical angle, they are saying you to label from here, right? So, where is the critical angle? What is the definition of critical angle? What is the definition of critical angle? Monica?
It's an it's the incidence value.
Yeah, angle of incidence value. Very good. Then when we call this critical angle, if the angle of refraction is 90 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
So in which one you have 90 degree? Angle of refraction, this one, right?
Yes, sir.
So your angle of incidence from where you should calculate? You should calculate from normal, right?
Yes, sir.
Where is your normal? Here, right? Here is normal. So from normal to incident ray, it should be your angle of incidence, right? And that is your critical angle, isn't it? Hmm? That is your
Yes,
critical
sir.
angle. So your one, I see. You gave which one?
Wrong.
You gave this one, right? The first one you chose, and even you did not choose the angle of incidence. You chose something different. Now we are going to Farabi. Yeah, now we are going to Farabi. Farabi, your angle of incidence you labeled for the first one. So it's not appropriate answer, right? Farabi?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
Farabi.
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do now on your test paper, you label it correctly. We need the correction also, right?
Yes, sir.
Do it here quickly. You cut it. Don't rub it. You keep it there that you did mistake, and you cross it. And then here you label again. This is C, and for this question you give -1. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Give here -1. So our 1A is done, right?
Which one is C? The upper one.
I'm saying 1A, you got -1, right?
Yes,
That
sir.
means you are losing this mark because your labeling is wrong.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? And where is your C? Here, right? Farabi?
Yes, sir.
You see, where should be label C? Here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Monica also label here. And this one is 90 degree. Also you label this. so that you can understand angle of refraction is 90 degree. Is clear? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Okay, 1A is done. Now we are going to 1B. State why only one of the three rays is totally internally reflected. Okay, so what should be the answer? What should be the answer?
The angle of incidence is greater than critical angle.
Very good, very good. So this should be the answer. Let us see what you wrote. The angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. Then what? So here you are getting marks
Okay.
because other light is not reflecting. This is not appropriate answer, Farabi. What should be your appropriate answer?
Angle of
Right?
incidence in
Yeah,
critical angle.
yeah. Write it. Write it. You cut your one. Cut means at the end you give cross. Don't cut the whole thing, and there you write the correct answer. Okay, so that you can see your mistake and also you see the correct answer. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
So Farab is one, you give here -1, and Monica give here tick. Okay, Monica.
Yes, sir.
Then our next question. Let us go to the next one. Calculate the refractive index for water. So refractive index, to get it, we have formula, right? This is going from denser to rarer medium, and the angle of incidence given, angle of refraction given. So how we'll write the formula, Monica? If it is from denser to rarer, how we'll write? Sin I by sin R or sin R by sin R? Sin I.
Sin R
Monica.
by sin I.
Okay, sin R by sin I. So let us check what you wrote. You wrote sin
Yes.
R by sin I. Very good. But during writing, you wrote wrongly, right? But the values
Yes.
you wrote correctly. Monica, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So you correct it. This is R and this is I. Correct it. You give a circle here and just beside it you write R by I. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So as your calculation is correct, the other values are correct. That's why you are getting here full marks, 2 out of 2. You give a tick over there. Then Farabi's one. Let us see what you wrote, Farabi. You wrote C by V. C by V. Why you wrote C by V, Farabi? There is one formula with speed, but here the values of speed is not given, right? Farabi? Farabi? Hello, Farabi. Farabi is not here. Okay. Then Monica's one. Monica, you see your one. Part two. Okay, let us see the question. What they are asking us. Part two. The critical angle for the boundary between water and air. The critical angle for the boundary between water and air. You wrote the formula C equals sine inverse 1 by 1.32, 49.25. and here you correct it. After writing 0.25, you give degree. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, right here degree.
Okay.
So it's correct, huh? Your answer, this one is also correct. Here you give tick. This one is correct. Then let us see the last part. Last part of the test paper. They are asking you. Okay, question number 2, right? Question number 2, converging lens. Here, draw rays from the top of the object to show how the lens forms an image of the object. Mark the, so your one, you
Sir,
started
I
3.
didn't get time to do that.
Sorry,
I didn't get time to do that.
didn't give this one.
No, sir.
Why?
I didn't have the time.
Oh, you did not have the time.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Let us check this one. Normal. Normal. So why didn't you tell me that you need more time? If you need time, if you
If
need time, then you should tell me that, sir, I need more time. Then I could allow you, right?
mm,
Like Farabi gave today only. Today afternoon he gave.
oh, oh,
But you should maintain time. But if you need actually time, more time, that time, because you are using now online support, so sometimes there is some difficulties in online, right? In
yes,
that
sir.
case, you should inform me, and I will allow you. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please do it next time. Eh? Now Mahi is coming.
Mania তো বহু কাজের হয়ে গেছে
Oh, sir, my internet went. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, I saw the message. We discussed question 1. Now you see your one. 1A you missed, right, Mahi?
Yes, sir.
And when you are giving the script, look, in your script, you wrote here are some files. You write uh, test on topic 14 structured part, right? Structured part.
Yes, sir.
This way you write the file name and the subject of the email. That will help us to get it later. Like you will send me couple of files, right? Then from
Okay,
those
sir.
files, if all are here are some files, then how can I identify which one is depending on what? Okay, so make it
Okay,
that
sir.
way. Then another point is here when you are giving the email and your file is giving, that time you should write some information. Test on topic 14 SQ at least we write. SQ means structured part only, structured questions only. Then you write date. It's very important, right? Date, and if possible the time also you mention. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh, so 1A you missed. Did you miss it intentionally or unintentionally? That one you tell me.
Sir, I forgot to draw it. So.
Yeah, I am saying that on that unintentionally you missed it. So
Yes, unintentional.
if you want, then I will give you chance to draw it again and send me.
No, sir, it won't be fair for them.
It will not be fair, I know, but I want you to be corrected. Okay, as you forgot, so that I can see that your drawing is correct or not. Like if it is correct, then it is fine. If it is incorrect, then I can make you correct.
No.
Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
At
Yes, sir.
least if you answer, then your knowledge I can test, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Because Monica did, Farabi did, uh, I was giving them correction. Now you send me and I will give you correction. So this one you write here 1A, you forgot. Here you write forgot. Then this is your note that sometimes you are forgetting to give answer, right?
Yes, sir.
And the date of test was 19/11/2020. Write that. This is test on topic 14 SQ only. Write that. Okay. In between two meetings, we have 10 minutes break. So that break you will send me the 1A part. Okay, Mahi?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now 1B, you are saying light is traveling from a denser to a rarer medium. Is it enough information to get total internal reflection? Look, light is traveling from denser to rarer medium for first ray, second ray, third ray, all of them, right? Isn't it, Mahi?
Yes, sir.
But one is totally internally reflected. Other two, they are not. So why it is totally internally reflected? All of them are going from denser to rarer medium. It is true for all of them, but this is not reflected, right? This one is refracted, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what
Yes, sir.
should be your answer?
The real should
There is
be
another
the
condition. There is another condition. We have two conditions. Another condition
yes,
is
sir.
the angle of incidence should be greater than critical angle, right?
Yes, sir.
So here you give -1. Here beside your answer you give -1. Then you write the correct answer. Give a here you have the space. Write it. The angle of incidence should be greater than critical angle.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then you are going from denser to rarer medium, right?
Yes, sir.
And when you are going to denser to rarer medium, that time the formula for refractive index is sine r by sine I, right? N
Yes,
equals
sir.
sine r by sine I. What you did here, you messed up.
Yes,
We are not here going to find r. We are going to find n, right? Refractive index is our n. They did not ask you to find the angle of refraction, did they?
no, sir.
They asked you to find refractive index. So the formula you wrote here, it should be sine r by sine I. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So do it now and tell me what is your answer quickly.
Okay, sir.
Do it quickly.
Sir, can I see the question again? Sir.
Hmm. Sine R by sine I. So sine R is sine 34 degree. And
Sir,
sine I is sine 25 degree, right?
yes, sir.
So sine 34 divided by sine 25. What is the answer?
0.5, 0.6, I mean 0.74.
How come? Sine 34 divided by sine 25. It should be more
Oh,
than 1.
34.
Yeah. 25. Sine 34 divided by sine 25.
So 1.32.
Yes, write that.
Okay, sir.
1 point. 1.3, right?
3,
Okay,
2,
now
yes, sir.
Monica, your one, this one you wrote degree. Here no degree, right? It is only a value. Okay, Monica?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, correct it also. Now, Mahi, here you got 1.32. You don't rub or cut your part, just you write the correct one here. Give a small cross beside it. Yeah, a small cross so that later you can understand your first idea is wrong. And you also see your wrong working. And here you are writing the correct one, right, Mahi?
Yes, sir.
And beside it, you write here -2. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Here you are losing 1 mark. And the next part you did, the whole process is correct. Everything is correct. That's why in Cambridge, though your answer is wrong, your answer should be with, if you write here 1.332, then your answer will be coming different, right? Not this one. And that one should be your correct answer. But in Cambridge, what we do, we call one thing that is called ECF. ECF means error corrected forward. You write here ECF. And because of ECF, you are getting 2 marks here, okay? Though your answer is not actually correct, but your process is correct. That's why you are getting 2 marks. Is it clear, Mahi?
Yes, sir.
Now you correct your one from here. You write another line here. You write sine inverse 1 by 1.32 and get the correct one. What is your correct
Okay, sir.
C? So for a single mistake you are doing, and for that one you are not losing marks in every place. Only a single place you will lose the mark. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
In Cambridge it is the rule for marking. So here you are lucky, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now actually we did till here with Monica, and we were waiting for you, and you came and we repeated it. Okay, now question number 3, Monica answered, but she did not get time to answer question number 2. That's why I gave her chance again, like you. She will also give me the answer during this our break time, right? During the hello, Monica. After
Yes, sir.
after this meeting, I will give you break. During that break, you send me it. Huh? When you are done, then tell me. Then we will give you the meeting again. Okay? Is it clear, both of you?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now we are having here question number 3 first, because you both gave the answer of question number 3. Question number 2 I will discuss later in our next meeting. Okay, not now, because the answer will go to Monica then. Let her try with her own. Now, question number 3, we are asked to get the name of this line X. Both of you gave normal, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you gave normal. Give a tick. Monica, you gave normal. Give a tick. Okay. Then our next question. State the name of the angle Y shown in on figure 3.1. So this one is Mahi Road. This is angle of incidence. It is correct. So give a tick here. It should be angle of incidence. Okay. Angle of incidence or incident angle. This way, right? One is you see adjective, another one is noun, huh?
Yes, sir.
So it is angle of incidence. Then Monica wrote critical angle. Monica, in
Yes, sir.
plane mirror, we never got critical angle, right?
Yes, sir.
You understood?
See, sir.
So cross it, then write there angle of incidence. Here you give -1. Now,
Done.
next one. Next one. A student moves the ray of light and doubles the size of angle Y. So if it is, for example, now maybe 40 degree, right? Y. If it is double, then what will be the value? 80 degree, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here we got Z. When it was 40 degree, the Z was also 40 degree, right? Now if we make Y 80 degree, then Z will be also 80 degree, right? According to the
Yes, sir.
law of reflection, I equals R, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what we get here for you, the angle Z will also double in size, correct? Give a tick. If the size of a critical angle will also increase and the angle of incidence will increase, so the Z will no longer be reflected but reflected, it will no longer be total. So you write here correctly, huh? Monica, you give a cross here, you just write it will be also double, right? Z will also be double.
Sir, I wrote the size of angle is increased.
Yeah. It's increased. This is one thing, and it is double. That is another thing. We need specifically double. Okay,
Hmm.
because it's following the law of reflection. So if it is 1.5 times, then that is also 1.5 times. If it is 3 times, that is also will be 3 times. Is it clear? So
Yes, sir.
it should be specifically double, not only increase. If you say increase, it can be only 10-degree increase, 20-degree increase, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Now next one, you give a cross here, give your -1, then you write here double. Yeah, Z will be also double. The next one we see figure 3.2, converging lens used to form an image I of an object O. State the name of the points label F. State the name of the points labeled F. So this point, they are not asking you the length from optical center to this point. They are only asking about this point. This point name is either focal point or principal focus, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you wrote focal length. So it should be focal point, not focal length. You wrote what? Focal point. It is correct. So Monica, you give tick, then Mahi give cross, then you write point. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Give here -1. And our next meeting we will discuss the rest part. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You let me know when you are done. Then I will give you. You send me through the email. Okay. Your answer.
Okay, sir.